Hi everyone, I thought I'd put together a series of videos to show you my process for drawing portraits. So I've started with how I draw an eye. I took a photo of my own eye. I use an app to overlay a grid. I'll put a link underneath the video to the app. It's grid hashtag. I am using Winsor & Newton smooth surface cartridge pad 220 GSM. I find that a really nice surface to draw on. And I'm using a range of Derwent pencils. I've got a range from 4H through to the very softest pencil, 8B. And I also use a Staedtler mechanical pencil and a Tortillon stump, and I have my putty rubber, which I use all the time. So those are my tools. This is my very first video, so I hope you like it, and all being well, there should be lots more. Please let me know what you think. Thank you.